Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic Belagavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 2, basic sequential circuits. Okay, in this lecture I am going to discuss master slave flip flop, MS flip flop, okay, and also D and T flip flops, okay, and its applications. Okay, MS flip flop. The MS flip flop, the in the JK flip flop is a okay. See here the MS flip-flop, the inputs JK are connected together, okay, connected and gated with the master flip-flop, okay, which locks the input conditions while clock, okay, input is logic level at 1, okay, as the clock input of the slave flip-flop is inverse complement of the master clock input, the slave flip-flop does not toggle, okay, the output of the master clock pulse are only seen by the gated slave flip-flop when the clock input goes to the logic level 0, okay. So J and K are connected to the gated master flip-flop which locks the input conditions while clock input is at a logic 1 when you are providing the clock at the 1, okay. So as the clock input of the slave flip-flop is inverse complement, okay, master clock input, the slave flip-flop does not toggle, okay, output is not going to toggle that time, okay. So means clock pulse is 0, the output is not going to toggle. The output of the master flip-flop are only seen by the gated slave flip-flop when the clock input goes to a logic level 0, okay, output is not going to toggle, okay. So you can observe the diagram here, okay. And also when the clock is low, the output from the master flip-flop are latched and any additional changes to the inputs are ignored here, okay. The gated slave flip-flop responds to the state of the its inputs passed over the master section, okay. So then on the low to high transition, okay, low to high transition means positive edge transition, the clock pulse inputs master flip-flops are fed through the gated inputs of the slave flip-flop, and on will get high to low transition, the same inputs are reflected to the output of the slave, making this type of the positive flip-flop edge or a pulse triggered, okay. The circuit accepts input data when the clock signal is high and passes the data to the output on the falling or a falling edge of the clock signal. In other words, master slave flip flop or master slave JK flip flop is a synchronous device as it is only passes the data with a timing of the clock signal, okay. You can observe here the circuit diagrams, masters and slave, okay. JK will be there, their clock will be inverted, okay. For slave you are going to provide one, suppose clock master you are providing 1 means here you will get 0 you are going to provide at the slave, okay. There is a truth table when j equal to 1, k equal to 0, j equal to 0, k equal to 0, clock equal to 1, q naught and q naught, that is the output is in hold state, j equal to 0, k equal to 1, clock pulse will be there, there is a reset means there is an, okay, 0 and q bar equal to 1 you will get, j equal to 1, k equal to 0, okay, you will get 1 0, that is a set, okay. Output is going to toggle means when clock pulse equal to 1, output is going to toggle in the opposite state you are getting 1 0 0 1 you are getting, okay. So next one, D flip flop, okay. D flip flop means delay flip flop, okay. The SR and JK flip flops are having a two data inputs to store the single bit information, two data signals to be generated, which is a disadvantage in the many applications. Further, in SR flip flop the forbidden condition occurs. To overcome these disadvantages, D flip flop is introduced, okay. So the D flip flop is also called as a delay flip flop because the input D is delayed from getting to the output Q by the one clock pulse, okay. So the D flip flop has two inputs including clock pulse. D and clock are the two inputs of the D flip flop, okay. To overcome these disadvantages of the D flip flop, okay, so D flip flop is called as a delay flip flop because D is a delayed from getting to the output Q by one clock pulse, okay. So that one we are doing here. Okay, the D flip flop has two inputs including the clock pulses. D and clock are the two inputs of the D flip flop. Okay, so you can observe the truth table here. Okay, you can observe here, when clock equal to 0, D equal to 0, Q will get same Q value, Q1, Q bar. Okay, clock equal to 0, D equal to 1, Q value will be getting Q, Q bar will get same value you are getting. Okay, clock equal to 1, D equal to 0, you will get Q equal to 0 and Q bar equal to 1. Obviously you will get 1 only. Okay, so next one, for clock equal to 1, D equal to 1, you will get Q equal to 1, Q bar equal to 0 you will get. Okay, so next one, T flip flop. T flip flops are similar to the JK flip flop. T flip flops are single input version. JK flip flops, this modified from the JK flip flop is obtained by connecting the JK input together. The flip flop has only one input along with the clock pulse. These flip flops are called as a T flip flop because of their ability to complement its input, that is toggle. Hence they are called as a toggle flip flop. When T equal to 1, clock equal to 1, the flip flop complements its output regardless of the present state of the flip flop. In this case, the next state is complement of the present states. Okay, when the T equal to 0, there is no change in the input state of the flip flop. Okay, no change in the state of the flip flop. The next state is same as the present state of the flip flops. Okay, so these flip flops are called as a T flip flops also. Okay, and also their ability to complement its input, okay, that is toggle. Hence they are called as a toggle flip flop. Okay, ability to toggle. So you can observe the diagram here, logic symbol for the T flip flop here. Okay, T is there. Okay, means J and K are combined together. Okay, T flip flop is shorted, J and K are shorted. Okay, only one input you are providing and clock is the input you are providing. Okay, so applications of the T flip flop are, it is useful for constructing the binary counters, frequency dividers, and also generally for the binary addition services we are using this. Okay, thank you.